Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there, today I have a quick video for you and I want to show you how you can back up your iPhone data with Google Drive. So first of all, you're going to need to install the Google Drive app and you just go to the App Store, look up Google Drive and install it on your phone. Well, for me, I already have this installed on my iPhone, so I'm just gonna go to it and open it. So now I'm gonna open the application and this is what it looks like once it's installed. So now what this is going to do is it will take the information from my iPhone and put it over to my Google Drive and then I can access it through any device through Google Drive. So where we go for this is in the top left hand corner right here. You're going to see these three little lines there. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go to settings. So click on settings. Now you will notice there's no backup in here. That's because you might be part of an account that might have an organization that has turned that off. So let me just switch to my personal email. Now I see the backup in here. I'm just using my free Google account for this one here. And as you can see at this point, I can back up my contacts. I can also back up my calendar events and I can back up my photos and videos. Now, just so you know, the contacts will come over and they'll make a new group for you in the contacts in Google. And the calendar events, they'll take out the calendar events and put in a new calendar for you from your iPhone. And then you can see how it will go and take your photos and videos and back it up through there. So you can just go through and I'm just going to click on photos and videos. If I click on it, you can see here I can go from the original. But if you're someone who's concerned about space, how much space you have on your Google Drive, you can just pick the high quality on it so you can go through and make any adjustments on it. So go through, check what you need, and then when you're all done, go ahead down to the very bottom and hit start backup like this one. And we're just gonna hit on OK. And this is where you're just gonna make sure you're on Wi-Fi just so you're not going to be using a lot of data as you do this. And I'm gonna hit on OK again. And now the backup is starting from here. So for this demo purposes today, I did stop my backup early and this just after a couple of minutes, but it still brought those things over to my Google Drive. So now I'm gonna move over to my computer because I want to show you how everything's connected no matter what device you go to. So I'm in my Google Drive right now in the same account. Let's go to Google Photo. So if you just check the app launcher, you will see the photos here, which are from my iPhone. Now in this case, I'm just gonna check on the photos we have in here. So even though these are old pictures, these are from my iPhone that have been stored for a while, it will still be moved over to here if you enable transfer. So this is going to be my Google Photos from now on. Now I'm going to go over to my contacts and look at this right here. You will see my name in here. Sometimes it could also be called iPhone and that's how you know where it is. But you can also edit the name of this later. Just go ahead and rename that after. And then let's go to Google Calendar. You're gonna notice the same thing here. I have my name and iPhone in here, which I can rename in the Google Calendar too, but that's where the information is going to be living. So across all your device, you can log in even though you've worked on your iPhone. Now everything's syncing back up over to Google Drive if that's the way you'd like to work. So yeah, that's it. Very, very easy. That is how we back up iPhone data with Google Drive.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.